Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. Last week, second resistance for US 30 Dow Jones was 34,951 and price moved to this level, inched up by 50 points, 35,013, and from there it corrected like anything within one single day. From resistance 2, it reached to the level of trend decider, closed taut on trend decider. Even it moved 100 points below the level of 34,602, and the closing was on 34,623. What a super performance by Dow Jones, and it played very well on the concept of Thursday Friday. What is the concept of Thursday Friday? If Thursday, it is a large green candle, possibility of red candle is on Friday, and if there is a large red candle on Thursday, possibility of a large green candle on Friday. So that is the concept, but that's based on the closing. If Thursday there is a green candle and price keeps trading above the closing of Thursday, then it can move further up. But as it falls below the closing of green candle, then the possibility is then there will be a large red candle, and you can find this on many Thursday Friday. If there is a large Thursday candle, there is a opposite candle on Friday, and it worked very well. Okay, the indices of two countries, India and Brazil, outperformed last week. India closed at highest by after a successful hosting of the recent G20 summit. India has established itself. On 24th of June, few dates were published. That was 19th of June, 22nd of July, 3rd of September, and 7th of October 2023. These dates were being published on 24th of June 2023. From 19th of June 2023, price rallied in a big way and formed the top on 20th of July 2023. It started the correction, formed the bottom somewhere near the 1st of September 2023, and set a rally again, and from the level of 19,223 or so, it is trading near 20,192, almost a rally of 1,000 points in last few trading days, almost 10 trading days. So these dates are available after every 1.5 years. Last week, DAX hit the taut final resistance, taut on final resistance. Bitcoin very close to the final resistance. For Adani Power, 609 is the top and the final resistance is 608. ICICI Bank resistance 2 is 997 and the top of the week is 997 only. Bank Nifty achieved and closed near resistance 2. Gold hit very close to the final support and bounced back. State Bank of India hit resistance 2 successfully. HDFC Bank hit resistance 2 successfully. So most of the stock performed very well last week. Hope this week also stocks able to hit their targets. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students.